Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are exploring HRV Exchange Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. One of Cisco's most robust routing protocol, this lab demonstrates HRV redistribution with OSPF in a three-router topology explanation. The network set up three routers, router 1, router 2, router 3, in a linear topology. The interface configuration: router 1 and router 2 use gigabit Ethernet 140 connection, and router 2, router 3 fast Ethernet 00 connection. The key networks is R1's managed IP address 1111 prefix 20 32, and 100 prefix 32 networks, and R3 handles multi subnet including 1000 prefix 32 and 2000 prefix to 32 also, and others. Configuration highlights: based on current best practice, HRV configuration includes router OS 5 OSPF 10 process on router 1 for network redistribution, area 0 designation for OSPF backbone connectivity, and redistributes command linking HRV and OSPF domains. And the next slide is about failover and load balance concept. Core philosophy: HRV strength lies in its intelligence, failover, and load balancing capabilities. Let me explain the key concept using our network topology. Network redundance design is primary path router 1 to router 2 use fast Ethernet 00, and the backup path is router 1 to router 3 use gigabit 0 for 1, and router 2 to router 3 use gigabit 2 for 0. The goal is maintain connectivity even during link failures. Failover versus load balancing. The goal is for failover is maintain connectivity during primary link failure, and load balance load balancing is optimize network performance using multi-threads. And the benefit is from failover is network reliability, reduce downtime, and the benefit for load balancing is increased throughput, better bandwidth utilization. And the weakness for failover is backup link units during normal operation. And for load balancing is complex configuration potential. The the bugs challenge implementation examples. The failover is redundant router or dynamic routing with backup paths, and the load balancing is HRV equal cost load balancing and BGP load sharing. And go to the next slide. Terms: effective cost HRV value. HRV cost calculation overview. HRV use sophisticated metrics beyond simple half count. Let's examine the components that determine fed selection. The key components is the first is dual algorithm. The diffusing update algorithm ensure low-free routing decision and fast configures during network change. And the last is efficient backup fast in identification. Call cost calculation elements. Primary components. there is FD or RD, flexible distance and reverted distance. Flexible distance is total cost from source to destination, and RD is reverted distance is cost responded by neighboring router. Supporting elements count is number of hosts and successor is batch path routers to specific destination, and feasible successor backup path meeting feasibility condition. Table dependencies. The routing table is stores batch path for packing for packet forwarding, and the topology table is maintains all known paths and their metrics. Feasibility condition or FC. Critical rules RD FD successor. If a network reported distance is less than your current feasible distance, the path qualifies as a feasible successor or backup route. And go to the next slide is about HRV detail cost formation. Two-tier path classification standard. There is two-tier path classification. The first is standard successor or blue path, and the next is feasible successor or red path. Standard processor is there is three point is the first is primary route to destination, and the second point is lowest matrix is the path or the last point is immediately usable for forwarding. And feasible successor or red path, there is three points. The first is backup route meeting feasibility condition, and the next is pre-calculated alternative path, and the last is instantly available if successor fails. The tailored cost components for feasible successor. The first link backup condition. When successor connection fail, automatic switch cover to feasible successor. If no routing algorithm regulation needed. And the next is lowest matrix after successor failure. HRV maintains multiple backup option, selects best available alternative instance. And the next is feasibility condition compliance. RD or FD successor must be satisfied and prevents routing loops during convergence and metric calculation formula. Based on current HRV implementation, when matrix is same bandwidth and delays, where bandwidth slowest link in path kbps and delay cumulative delay is microsecond, and k value weighting vectors, and the load balancing assessment. HRV support an equal cost load balancing using the variance command, which can include routes with matrix up to n times the minimum matrix route with traffic shared proportionally, and the variance configuration is default variance 1 equal cost only, and the range is 1 until 128 multiplier, and the effect is enables an equal cost path utilization. And the conclusion and the best practice. The first conclusion is HRV reliability is dual algorithm provides loop-free path convergence. And the next is flexible load balancing. Support up to 32 equal cost fast and unequal cost distribution, and the next is intelligence backup. Feasible successor enable instant failover, and the last conclusion is modern implementation is advanced features include query scoping, route defining, and fine-grained control via prefix list. And configures best practice is always implement feasible successor for critical path and use variance judiciously for load balance, monitor topology table for network health, and the last is implement proper query scoping in large networks. Okay, uh, I think that's all. Sorry if I have mistake word in my if when I telling the when I explain the slide. Sorry if I have some mistake or many mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.